So good morning, class 9th. We are going to start today's class in a minute because only 25 of you have joined. 24, sorry, not 25. Still many of you not joined. So if you want to ask something, you can ask better. Any confusion, any question you want to ask? Arisha, any query? Then why you are getting less marks in comprehension test, Google form? You are doing, last time also you were not getting good marks, and this time also. So please, while doing the Google form, always keep a notebook with you for doing the rough working. This is very, very important because in the comprehension skill, you are supposed to find the output. So for that you need to do some rough working. Is that clear, beta? Okay. Anybody else? Any doubt? Kavyansh, Soumya, Ashish, Aprajita, Prakriti.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. So, any query, any question you want to discuss, beta, first of all? Or should I discuss myself? Okay, Soumya. Tausif, Prakhar Nayak. Beta, please respond.
No, sir.
Pakka? Gaurang, Aditya
sir.
Mishra. So, many of you send the mail with.
No, sir.
Okay, Tausif. So, Dhriti, any doubt? Good morning, Mr. Soham, Matan Helia. Lalwani Saab, please join the class on time and be regular. You are not regular. Eshita, any doubt, beta? Why the other? Wahid Haider is joining from. Eshita, beta, any confusion, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? So there is no doubt. Very good. So Akshara Garg. So now I am going to share my screen. Right. So first of all, we will discuss the last question. Then we will move forward. So have patience. Today my machine is working very slow. So you will get my screen after at least 30 seconds. Have patience. Okay. So now I am going to share my screen. I hope everybody will get after 1 minute. Are you getting? My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So the last question was like this: 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15 for n terms. So everybody knows how to put the comments that I have told, I think? No? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this single line comments I have used, and now this series I am going to print here. So the basic logic I have told: first store the first term, whatever it is term, doesn't matter what is that. They store in a variable, then the difference, and now from the user we will ask enter number of terms, and that number of terms you can store in a variable ob dot next int. This is the basic working that everybody knows. Until here, every time is going to be common. After that, the basic loop is required, that has to be start with 1 and I is less than equals to n. The basic logic I am telling. After this I will show you some changes also. in some variation. So series we are printing on the same line. Now there is no Google form today, only the Google Meet attendance I am marking. Recording is happening, I will put the recording after the class. So now what you are supposed to print this. After that a equals to a plus the difference, then the difference is fixed, I think, no, 2 3, no, so difference is increasing by 1. Now my program is over. My screen is visible, everybody? If it is not visible, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Very good. My voice is clear, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
Well
Yes,
done.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many terms you wanted to generate? I said 7 8 terms. Now see, the first 8 terms of the series are coming: 1 3 6 10 15 21 30 22 28 36. So this is the basic logic which I have told you here. I hope, are you getting this? Any confusion? So I think there is no doubt. So let me explain. So the main thing I am putting here only. The starting point I have stored, that is 1 in a variable a. Then the difference of the first two terms is 2. So I have stored in a variable b. Whatever variable name you want to use, you can use. So first of all, it is printing 1, then 1 plus 2, it becomes 3, and then b plus plus, it becomes 3. So next time you will get 3, then 3 plus 3, it becomes 6. So next time you will get 6, and after this every time your control moving on this I plus plus. So this body will execute how many times? N number of times. So this is very, very important. Is it okay, everybody? Hello, bachcho? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
I am going to paste this question in the, sorry, I will post
Yes,
these
sir.
Yes, sir.
I will post these questions later on, because just now I am just recording everything, so it will take time. Okay? So now see the variation. So now variation I will show you in the next question. I am saving with different file name. Now see, apart from this logic, what you can do? You can do this, like you can start with 1 and you can see, we are printing I, or you can say we can print and the initial value of a I am doing 0. Then we are printing what? A. So first time, see here, let me explain the working. So initial value, so this is not required, b equals to 2. So now only a is required, which is assigned with 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Next time I will be 2. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Then 6. Okay? So let me show you the output. So these are some variation which you can do if you want, but better to implement easy way in which you are comfortable. Don't think sir is not comfortable or sir is comfortable. If you are comfortable in a particular logic, you can go with that. Okay? Now see, the 6 terms I am printing here. The first term I am getting 1, then 3, then 6, 4, 10, 15, 21. So the difference is here. Every time the difference is increasing by 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. So 21 plus 7, 28. I hope this one is clear, everybody. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next question I am going to give you. See the question I am writing here. Now you need to print the sum of the following series. Do it fast and paste in the chat box. Only the logic is required from the variable. See, whenever you are writing a program, always start from the variable declaration in the chat box. Now the previous series again we are doing, but now this time we are supposed to print sum of the series. Sum equals to 1, 3, 6. So like this. Do it fast and post in chat box. Do it fast, बच्चों. Now I have posted the last question on this GCF. Only 39 of you joined. And see, if you are posting the question in the chat box, please let me know. Otherwise I cannot check. If you are posting in GCF, please let me know. Do it fast, बच्चों. Okay, who is this? Rachit Srivastav. Absolutely correct, beta. Well done. Somebody else? Arisha, Riddhi Kalra, Prakriti, Lakshya.
Just a second.
Okay. Take your time. No need to write the whole program. If you are using PC, you can write the program. That's up to you. Abhyuday Gupta, the series, but a series has to start. Sorry, the loop has to start with 1. Because if you are starting from 2 to n, so number of terms won't be coming correct. Okay? It is not correct, beta Abhyuday. See the number of terms. The loop has to start with Daksh Das. A equals to A plus 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Yes. Daksh, correct. I hope this will work. Bharat Asthana left the meeting. Come on. आदित्य मिश्रा. आदित्य कहाँ गया तुम्हारा? Correct beta. Aditya is absolutely correct. Kartikeya Kumar. Beta Kartikeya, printing is not required in the loop because we are not supposed to print the series. Rest is fine beta. Very good. Kavyansh. Beta Kavyansh, in between the loop don't print C. Rest is fine. Okay. Eshita.
Yes, sir.
Eshita Singh, absolutely correct. Very good beta. Beta, J equals to SC dot next INT won't be there. N equals to. The input must be in N because you have used N in for loop. Okay. Remove J. Arisha.
Yes, sir.
Sum equals to sum plus K. What is K beta Arisha? K is missing. Must be B. Rest is fine. Okay beta Arisha?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Instead of K just write B. Rest is fine. Very good. Now Artika Gupta. Sum equals to sum plus A. A equals to A plus B. B plus plus. Absolutely correct. And now remember one thing. While storing the sum in a particular variable, that variable has to be assigned with 0. Otherwise you will get 1 marks less. S equals to S plus J. Aryan Ashok, you have not initialized the variables. Rest is fine. The logic is correct. Okay. The value of Z and Y must be there. And S also must be 0. Rest is fine. Kesarwani. Kesarwani.
Yes, sir, I've reposted, sir.
Okay, no problem. Don't repost. Just do the correction better. I have already checked. I have told the mistake. Don't worry. Yes, absolutely correct. Shomik. Now Laksh Goyal. A equals to A plus I. Very good. 0 plus 1. 1 plus 2. Yes, correct. Laksh Riddhi is absolutely correct. Priyamvada, absolutely fine. Beta, printing won't be inside the loop. Priyamvada Singh. Printing must be outside of the loop. The reason behind that, because in the question there is only single output. Okay. So in case of single output, printing must be outside of the loop body. Rest is fine. Yes, Aryan, correct. Dhriti Tripathi, absolutely fine beta. Beta, Dhriti, you have printed sum, but you have declared S. So instead of SUM, just print S. Rest is fine. Anushka Kasaudan, correct beta. Very good. So now, this question I am showing you on the screen. Please look at here. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now the basic thing, the first term we are getting in A here. So instead of this, we can write like this. Khatam. And then the printing won't be inside. Printing must be and please always check these programs on computer also. Sometimes because of some silly mistake, maybe I have done skip something. So check always on computer. Now let me show you the output. In the previous logic I have told, the basic logic I have posted in the GCR also, and this also I will post. In this I have used the short logic also. Now, so now in case of number of terms we are putting 3, so the output must be 10. See, the series is coming. So series no need to print the series, so I am just removing this part. So you can put the comments. So now this will not execute. So the single line comments are used to delete a particular line temporarily, means the compiler is not going to read it. For the compiler it is deleted from the program, but for us it is there. So no need to delete everything again and again. Now see, so if you are inputting number of terms 3, so then output has to be 10. So the answer is coming 10. Is it okay, everybody? Hello? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So now the next question. So the next question is, again you need to print the sum of the series. Please see here. Okay, just leave it. Should I give the tough one or easy one? Chali, look at here. Print the series like this. Do it fast. This question is there. This one. Are you getting this question?
Yes, sir.
Like this. Now this will start with 1. The question is at the top. Do it and post in the chat box. Do it fast, bachcho. Are you getting the question, everyone? The question is, just print the following series, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Again I am repeating, there is no attendance form today. I will mark your attendance with the help of this session only, and I am recording everything. The attendance I will post after, within before 2 p.m. today. बेटा wait, I have not checked Sarthak Pandey. Sarthak beta 1 minute. Yes, absolutely fine beta Sarthak, very good. Laksh Goyal. Beta Laksh, we have to print the series. We don't have to print the sum, okay? Just do the required correction. Kavyansh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Kavyansh is absolutely fine. C is 1 is coming, 1 into 2. Yes, absolutely fine beta. Who else? Rachit Srivastav, correct? Beta Rachit, 1 won't be coming. 1 has to be there, na? The first term.
Yes, sir.
1. In the series, the first term is
Okay,
1.
Sir. Sir, I'll make the list.
Just change the value of starting point, must be 1. Rest is fine. Don't post again, okay? Just do the required correction in your notebook or in your computer and save it. Daksh.
Okay, sir.
Daksh, what is this? Beta Daksh, this is wrong. See, the printing is starting with 2 and you have to start with 1. And A equals to A into B. For that, there is not the bracket is not required. Abhyuday Gupta, 2 to the power I. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Very good. This is also correct. Well done. Different logic. Very good. Eshita, correct beta. Very good. Who is not getting these types of question, beta? Hurry up. Everybody has to share. Priyamvada, Arisha, Aryan, Kavyansh, share beta. Kesarwani sahab, your is correct. Beta Kesarwani sahab, please, starting point of A must be 1, not 2. Rest is fine. Okay, Shamik, do the required correction.
Yes, sir.
Rest is fine. Very good. I hope the programming everybody is getting. Wahid Haider, Wahid, Haider. Beta, please, Arisha, wait. Arisha, your is correct. Wahid, please respond. Beta Riddhi, your is also correct. Beta Wahid, the starting point of K, Wahid Haider, the starting point of K must be 1, not 2. In the question, 1 has to be come on the screen. Arisha, I have checked your is correct. And Artika Gupta, correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Aditya, beta print the space also, rest is fine. Aditya, very good. Kasaudan, beta, the starting point, see, your is wrong, Kasaudan. See the mistake, beta. T has to be 1 and SOP T without double quotes. After that, T equals to T into 2. Kartike Kumar, yes, correct. Bharat Asthana, correct बेटा. भरत, थोड़ा लेट कर रहे हैं आप, स्पीड बढ़ाइए अपनी. Amisha, today you have shown the first program. Yes, correct, but very late. Quick, be quick, everybody. Okay, so Aryan Ashok, yes, correct beta. Very good. So now again I am going to my screen is already there. So the question is, you have to print the series. So there can be so many logic. So now I am using the simple one. Whatever you want, I am okay with that. So the basic thing is this. See, this is the basic. After that, A equals to A into 2. Apart from this logic, we can start the loop from 0 to less than n and 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 2. Like this we can print. That also I will show. Should I explain anything in this program, in any logic? Now see. The first 5 terms are coming on the screen, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. You can check it from the question also. I hope this one is clear, right? Now, very small change I am going to do here. Now see, are you getting this? So whenever you are using mat.pow, this int is required. Otherwise you will get the output in decimal like 0.00, 0.00 like this. Now see, so the same output you will get. Is it clear, everybody? The both logics are correct.
Yes, sir.
This one is also correct, but in this,
Yes, sir.
Aditya Mishra and one more, I haven't remember his name. They have done this, so I am telling this. This is very, very important, this part. Otherwise, you will get 1.0, 2.0, 4.0, and that is wrong, because in the question there is no decimal point, right? I can cut marks, at least 1 marks for that. And you can start loop from 1 to less than equals to, and in that case I minus 1 is required, or you can start with 0 and less than n, and in that case only 2 comma I would be there. Is that clear, everybody? Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the next question is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think in this question you people are comfortable, right? So we are moving forward. My next question is little bit tricky. थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा. Now just write down. My question is, write a program. Write a program to print first 5 prime numbers. Print first 5 prime numbers. The question is in the chat box. In this case, what has to be the output? Output has to be 2, 5, 7, 11, 13. I hope, sorry, 3 is missing. 3 also. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 must be there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This has to be there as output. Are you getting this? Bachcho, children, are you getting the second output? So you have, okay, just try this program. It's a little bit tricky question. Don't think it's easy. Take your time and I will explain this. And instead of print first 5 prime number, you can get first 10 prime number, you can get first 20 prime number also. So just try to implement the common logic which you can apply on all types of program. Today 6 are absent. Only 40 of you have joined the class. Take your time, don't be in hurry. Do it fast, बच्चों. Only 39 are present today, 7 are absent. Whenever we are having the class every day, I will put the attendance before 2 p.m. around 2 p.m. So at least once you can cross check whether I have marked you present or not. In the GCR also I always post. Okay? And in between, please do not leave the class. If you are leaving the class before 35 minutes, I will mark you absent. Take your time. Okay, Gaurang, my question is just print first 5 prime numbers. Who has sent me the message WhatsApp? Shrestha Verma. Yes, beta. Ishika has posted the correct output 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Print first 5 prime number. Is it okay, Gaurang? Are you getting now? Please do it fast.
Yes, sir.
The solution of this problem we will discuss in the next class. Okay? Because it's a tricky question. Maybe you can try, but we will discuss in the next class. So those who have tried, those who have done something, they can share with us. And whatever program we are doing, I always post in the GCR. So those who are not comfortable, they can see the GCR for the solution. Okay, bachcho? The questions are there. No problem, Harshit. And this is my request, Kartike Kumar, Harshit Lalwani, Soham Matenhelia, especially these 3 students. You people, you have to try each and every program. Whether you are getting or not doesn't matter. Anirudh single, sorry beta, it is wrong. See, I am giving you some hint. Shomik, this is better I think, but this is wrong. Shomik, we need 2 loop in this question, but there are some, logical mistake. Well tried. Very good case, Shomik. Bachcho, in this question, at least 2 loops are required. I have not explained. I have given just like this. I wanted to see how many are, supposed to put their logic. So now, bachcho, listen. This will be your homework. I am giving you a hint. At least 2 loops are required. Don't ask anyone. Just try yourself. Whatever you are getting, it doesn't matter ki how much it is correct. Maybe you are doing the wrong, foolish thing, but doesn't matter. We will discuss everything. Okay? I wanted to see your effort. Got it, everyone? So with this, we are ending today's class. Okay, bachcho?